Welcome to THT Design, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home, from the grand exterior to the cozy interior. Our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. The concept of a modern triangular wooden house, nestled amidst a green lake and a tropical forest, offers a captivating vision of harmonious living. This architectural design seamlessly integrates with the natural environment, creating a serene and sustainable dwelling. The triangular shape. The triangular shape of the house is both visually striking and functionally efficient. The triangular form maximizes natural light and ventilation, while also providing a unique and dynamic aesthetic. The sharp angles of the structure create a sense of tension and energy, contrasting with the organic forms of the surrounding landscape. The wooden construction. The use of wood as the primary building material adds a natural and organic element to the design. Wood is a sustainable and renewable resource that can be harvested and processed in a way that minimizes its environmental impact. The warm tones of the wood create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, contrasting with the cool, clean lines of the triangular form. The green lake. The green lake in front of the house serves as a natural focal point, reflecting the surrounding landscape and creating a sense of tranquility. The lake also provides a habitat for aquatic plants and animals, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the area. The water's reflective surface creates a mirror effect, doubling the visual impact of the house and the surrounding environment. The tropical forest. The tropical forest behind the house offers a lush and vibrant backdrop, providing a sense of privacy and connection to the natural world. The forest is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The dense foliage of the trees provides shade and natural cooling, helping to regulate the temperature of the surrounding area. harmonious integration of nature and architecture. The design of the modern triangular wooden house seamlessly integrates with the natural environment, creating a harmonious and sustainable dwelling. The choice of materials, the layout of the space, and the incorporation of natural elements such as the lake and the forest all contribute to the overall sense of balance and tranquility. This architectural vision offers a compelling model for sustainable living, demonstrating how human-made structures can coexist harmoniously with the natural world. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.